relax and then...
Okay, on Tuesday we're going to have a thing called Dream Team. And Dream Team is where the classes compete and individuals compete to find out who's the best at lots of different things. Like the first thing we're going to do is a foot race. And that means at 9, right after announcements, everybody who's signed up for the foot race is going to come down here and sit on these benches. At 9:30, I need all classes inside the grass area. 9:30, we're going to start the race. So teachers, head out here by 9:25. If you're in the afternoon for Dream Team, then that means at 1:15, I need the racers to come and sit down right here. At 1:30, I need all classes should already be outside and on the grassy area to start the race. We're going to start the race at 1:30. After the race, we're going in for cup stacking to find the best cup stacker.
Oh, I hope you guys are better than me. Whoa, next we're going to be doing cup stacking, and we'll be coming in the gym and sitting down. It's going to be noisy. There's going to be a screen up there letting you know who's up next. If you see somebody's name appear and they don't come up, please tell them to save time. It's going to be noisy. We want to keep it as organized as possible. Okay, we're going to be doing cup stacking from 64 all the way down to 1. And the 1 gets the trophy. So, good luck.
Okay, so after we do the cup stacking, you need to get back into your classes because we're going to do 3 and 4 classes together, and we're going to come out. All the unified teachers have a target game to play. Might be throwing a disc or kicking a soccer ball. My favorite is the water balloon launch. Okay, and listen to this part in particularly because I don't want you to lose your balloon. I only have 1 balloon per student, and so it's very important that you are able to shoot it correctly. The main thing is you get a balloon and you're going to come up to one of these, and I want you to stick it in there like that. Make sure it's in there nicely. What you don't want to do is come down here and then hold it like that, because what will happen is that balloon will fall and break. If it falls and breaks, you're out of luck. Another thing I see students doing is they pull back and they aim, and then they pull a little further just for that extra little boost, and usually that drops then. The best way, this is the best way to shoot a balloon and you'll hit your target every time, is you just hold it like this, bring it down, and then let go immediately. And it should go pretty far. And that's how to do a water balloon launch.
Good morning, students. Today I'm going to teach you a little bit about bocce ball. Bocce ball will be one of the activities that your class will get a chance to participate in to see which class is the best at bocce ball. It'll be a combined score. Each student will get a chance to roll a bocce ball. There is a little bit of skill involved. You'll be trying to take the ball that's in your hand that you see right here, and you'll be rolling it out into an area that is marked with a white circle, and the closer you get to the center circle, like a bullseye, would be worth more points. So, as a person is getting ready to roll a bocce ball, all students will be standing on the sidewalk, the circle will be out in the middle, and when the teacher tells you, you will take this ball, you'll reach back, you'll step with your opposite foot, and you will roll the ball towards the targets. So again, what we don't want to see is kids dribbling a ball because they will crack. We don't want to see you tossing the ball in the air because if you drop it could crack, and that would be a bad choice, and obviously there would be a consequence for that. So let's make sure that, again, when you're rolling a bocce ball, step back, make sure there's no one in your way, step, and roll the ball towards the targets. That is the sport of bocce ball. Should be a lot of fun, and I'll see you Tuesday.
Okay, then next we come out on the Kingston side, and we're going to do a game called, we'll call it Kick the Soccer Ball. And we're going to have 3 circles. The middle circle is going to be 100 points, and then the circle outside that's going to be 50, and then 25 points in the outer circle. And we're going to have several soccer balls laid out on the sidewalk, and you're going to be broken up into groups of 4 or 5, depending how many of them are you. And all you do is you take the ball and you kick it, hopefully better than that, and you try to get it as close to the center as you can. There will be a pylon there. If you hit that, you get extra points. That's how you do soccer ball.
Alright guys, one of the competitions during our dream team is we're trying to throw frisbees at a big old target. You've got a couple poles out there. If you hit those, it's extra points. You also get points for wherever it lands. The closer the better. When you throw a frisbee, it's not a baseball, it's not a football. We're not throwing it up, it's sideways. You want to try to keep it flat and throw it out that way. If you throw it up, it's going to go up, it's going to go sideways, it's not going to go where you want it to go. So when we throw it, we're going from the sidewalk over here, throwing with your class, doing your best, trying to get as many points as you can. That's it.
To end Dream Team, we have the best, my favorite, and that is tug of war. So all the classes are going to come over here, stand back far enough that we can do the tug of war. Look for your name. So we're going to have a very quick turnaround for each time. We're going to take all the classes and bring it down to who is the best tug of war, and that will end our class times.
Close your tired eyes, relax and